Raise your speaker game with the MBQRP-R116 Polaris razor-tuned audio rear speaker kit. The MBQRP-R116 is a rear speaker kit engineered by MB for Polaris RZR Pro XP, Pro R, and Turbo R models from 2020 to 2024. These 6.5-inch coaxial speakers, each equipped with a 0.75-inch titanium dome tweeters, deliver a robust 120-watt two-way audio experience. The speakers are housed in rear-mounted LDPE composite enclosures, ensuring durability and seamless integration into the vehicle's design. Designed specifically for the Polaris RZR series, this audio upgrade enhances your vehicle's sound system, providing clear and powerful audio performance on every trail. Here's a list of tools needed for this install. Now let's get started. Unlatch passenger seat. Remove two M6 Torx screws with a T40 Torx bit. Some vehicles may have an additional M6 Torx screw that will need to be removed. Install enclosure bracket with M6 Torx screws removed from the previous step. Note the square on the bracket is positioned to outside of vehicle. Connect enclosure wiring to vehicle wiring if adding to MB Quart Stage 3 audio kit. Refer to that manual for wire routing. Some vehicles were pre-wired if adding to vehicle OEM audio. Latch rear of enclosure into tab. After, snap enclosure down into mounting bracket. Install one M4.2 by 13mm high-low screw using a T20 Torx bit. For the final step, if your vehicle had a third M6 Torx screw, go ahead and install it with a T40 Torx bit. If your RZR just came with two screws here, please ignore this step and repeat all steps on the driver's side of the vehicle. Turn the vehicle on and test the operation of the audio system. That's it for this installation. To learn more about this or any other audio product for your RZR, head over to mbquart.com. Thanks for watching.